Are you curious about what the weather has in store for you? Wondering if you should grab your umbrella or plan that outdoor adventure? In a world where the elements reign supreme and nature's whims can shape our daily lives, one field of study stands tall, offering us a glimpse into the future. Welcome to the captivating realm of weather forecasting. Have you ever wondered how meteorologists predict the weather with such accuracy? Join us today as we dive into the fascinating world of weather forecasting, where science meets meteorology. A century and a half ago, notions of weather prediction were deemed little more than folklore. The man who changed that and gave us modern weather forecasting was British naval officer and scientist Captain Robert Fitzroy. Fitzroy is better known today as the captain of the Beagle, the ship that carried Charles Darwin on the voyage that led to his theory of evolution by natural selection. Later, he was appointed head of the British Meteorological Office. There he developed the methods that became the foundation of scientific weather forecasting. The weather comes in repeated patterns. The development of each pattern is indicated by signs such as air pressure, wind direction, cloud type. Since patterns are repeated, their future progress can be predicted. Observations from multiple locations provide a snapshot of weather patterns over a wide area. From the snapshot, meteorologists can forecast the weather. Looks simple, but there are several key processes behind every predication. Let us explore them. Meteorologists gather information from an array of sources, including weather stations, satellites, radar systems, and even weather balloons. These sources provide valuable data about temperature, humidity, wind speed, atmospheric pressure, cloud cover, and precipitation. Meteorologists meticulously analyze the collected data to understand the current state of the atmosphere. Using advanced computer models and algorithms, they identify weather patterns, such as high and low pressure systems, fronts, and disturbances. Meteorologists employ sophisticated computer models called numerical weather prediction, NWP models. These models simulate the behavior of the atmosphere by utilizing known physical equations governing its motion. Through grid-based calculations, the models predict how weather variables will evolve over time. Meteorologists input the current weather data into the NWP models, initializing them for simulations. By doing so, they can forecast the future behavior of the atmosphere based on its initial conditions. The NWP models integrate the initial conditions and physical equations, simulating the future state of the atmosphere. These models divide the atmosphere into three-dimensional grids, calculating variables like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and precipitation. The model output is processed further to make it easily understandable for forecasters and the public. Meteorologists create weather maps, charts, and graphs that vividly illustrate the forecasted weather conditions. Meteorologists interpret the model output, combining it with their expertise and knowledge of local weather patterns. By considering historical weather patterns, topography, and local effects, they make accurate predictions about future weather conditions. The final weather forecast is then shared with the public through various channels, including weather websites, mobile apps, TV and radio broadcasts, and social media platforms. These forecasts provide vital information on temperature, precipitation, wind, cloud cover, and any severe weather conditions expected. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.